Hare Krishna, the fourth song in our album Jambu Kirtan, which is Gauranga, 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 reminds us of that golden avatar, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who came as a devotee to experience the love of his eternal consort Sri Radharani, to experience the emotions and the heartfelt love that Radharani had for the Supreme Lord, for Krishna. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared as a servant. And as he says in the Shikshashkatam, that he shall always remain my worshipable Lord, even if I become broken-hearted. Our goal in devotional service is not that we escape from challenges or fear challenges, but is to overcome them and to realize what is our relationship to being a servant of a servant, which means that sometimes we get challenges, and we hope with this song that any challenge that comes your way, whether it is distributing books on the streets, whether it is going out and making a kind gesture, trying to be a little bit kind, whatever you are doing in the path of spirituality, in the path of God consciousness, may you be successful and may you be happy. So Gauranga.
Nectar, Gauranga, nectar, Gauranga.